So we all welcome you all once again. Prayer. It's a mark of undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of every important event, isn't it? Yes. Like the great philosopher Soren Kierkegaard once said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. I would like to call upon Sri Kala for the prayer.
Gajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekadanta Bhaktanam Ekadanta Mupasmahe Faladayaka Neene Vinayaka Faladayaka Neene Vinayaka Ni Faladayaka Neene Vinayaka Ni Faladayaka Neene Vinayaka Faladayaka Neene Vinayaka Faladayaka Neene Vinayaka Kanyarambhadi bhajiಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನನು Kanyarambhadi bhajiಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನನು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಫಲದಾಯಕ.
Full Chairman, founder of Karavali Group of College, Sri S. Ganesh Rao sir, we have on, isn't it sir? Okay, now we and other dignitaries and the gathering.
To welcome you all on behalf of our Honorable Chairman, Sri S. Ganesh Rao sir, as a token of love and respect. Now, I request Mrs. Shweta to hand over a bouquet as a token of love and respect. I would also like to gracefully welcome all the principals of Karavali Group of Colleges present here for the celebration. Welcome the teaching fraternity and non-teaching staff and one directly and indirectly concerned. I welcome the press and media who have come here to witness the celebration. A warm welcome to all the students of Karavali Group of Colleges. Welcome you all.
Beautiful campus. Collective work is the secret behind the progress that Karavali had seen under the guidance of our founder, the respected chairman of Karavali Group of College, the dynamic personality Sri S. Ganesh Rao sir. Our respected chairman Sri S. Ganesh Rao sir, an entrepreneur, educationist, a well-known personality. His able and efficient and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation, and he is a recipient of several national and international awards, given in recognition of his extraordinary service in the field of education, especially in untapped professional area. Behind every success story is a visionary, futuristic, enterprising, spirited, ever-smiling personality of Sri S. Ganesh Rao sir, the founder of Karavali Group of College, is a classical example of hope, determination and achievement. Sir definitely needs an intro. So here goes an intro. Karavali Group of College made an impressive first university-affiliated design course in India. Since then, it has registered trailblazers and also from foreign countries. Karavali College provides. The institution not only provides students with face a life with confidence, excellence in education, providing students in focused academic environment which nurtures complete continuous superlative performance by success 4 independent owned campus, the one right beyond and Bengaluru with more than 40 courses in Nilmarga. That's a part of Karavali crop. It has received permission from the Medical Assessment and Rating Board. Ganesh Rao sir and Director of Karavali Group of College, Srimati Lata G. Rao Madam, will do the dove release. Yes, here it goes. So we honor
Mr. Mohan, all the members of faculty, media friends, and dear sweet, dynamic, disciplined students. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the students and members of faculty and appreciate for celebrating expectation. Celebrating birthday only with the cake or lunch is not the celebration. The celebration should come from the heart, from the mind, from the thinking, from the process of thinking. And it should really stand for a very long time, maybe lifetime. I want to bless all my students and faculty members, and I want to see that the entire day is colorful. You are singing, you are dancing, you are eating, and that should be the message for the life. Today, really we are missing engineering, 2 classes seniors, pharmacy exams are going on, Ayurveda exams are going on, not pharmacy, Ayurveda. In spite of that, some of them may join for lunch. It is not the question of the quantity. Sabit. So, friends, I was talking about the life, the spirit of life, the smile in your face. Every time we wish birthday wishes, 12 o'clock we are doing flower bouquets, cake. Is it enough? We have to recognize and respect each and every human being of this great country. Irrespective of caste, creed, political barriers, religion, region. Take everyone together. Bring out marvelous, positive and productive changes. Ensure that each and every citizen is enjoying his life. People's fundamental rights should be recognized. Cooperation should be promoted. Sacrifice should be the agenda of the life. Friends, what is happening today? Elections are nearing. I don't want to talk politics. But please take care. I would like to advise you, caution you, motivate you. Don't become tools in the hands of the system. The system, whether it's a political system, whether it's an organization, people are eager and busy to divide you in the name of caste, creed, religion, region, and so many other barriers. But here is one college which always calls for, expects, motivates and promotes the harmony. Region, language, food habits, culture. Friends, God have produced you all as human beings. Let us pledge that we will lead our life as human beings. Sometimes, some corner of the world we say our behavior is worse than animals. Animals are better than human beings. One pet dog or cat that has regards for the boss, for the owner. If you just feed one bottle of milk, it will not forget you for lifetime. We human beings, sometimes we become too selfish. We go on demanding facilities. We are go on demanding justice. While claiming so, sometimes are we not neglecting our fellow citizens' rights and justice? It is always taking together, going together, caring, sharing, love, affection, mutual respect. Why I am mentioning all these things? Friends, don't take Kaizen as only as a competition. Definitely it's a competition. It is a competitive mood. Entire world is competition. Who wins or who loses is not the subject. How much you participate, how much you concentrate, how much you sacrifice, how much hard working you are, how much you enjoy. End of the day, how much satisfaction you have. Somebody is doing MC, somebody is doing vote of thanks, somebody is bringing flower bouquet, somebody is eating, somebody is watching, somebody is dancing. The entire life should be celebration. One day dull, gloomy, other day bank loan problem, next day examination problem, next day hall ticket problem. Don't break your head with the problems, but find out if you can get 1 second or 1 minute or 1 hour where you can satisfy your soul, where you can satisfy yourself, where you can promote yourself, where you can respect yourself, where you can love yourself. What is happening everywhere? Poverty is becoming less. Lot of facilities are there, car, bungalows, roads, aeroplanes. Other part, Russia is attacking on Ukraine. India, Pakistan, never-ending problems are there. Friends, where we are leading, progress won't mean fighting. Progress means caring and sharing and going to it. That progress is visible in Karavali College. Last 25 years, we never ever discriminate between students. Anybody told you that you should not clap? It's not a classroom. I can understand 2 years corona, the relation between teachers and students, there is a gap. Most probably you are not motivated. Enjoy the life while clapping, you clap. If you feel like smiling, you smile. If you feel like screaming, positive way, you scream. Don't sit idle, listen, enjoy. While eating also don't take it as a punishment. While you're in a ground, always I say, it may be repetition for the final years, there in the examination. Wherever you are, be smart. Enjoy that particular moment of time. When we are at ground, we think about our health. When we are in examination hall, we think about the fees payment. When we are in such function which is, reserved for happiness, you think about so many other problems of your life. You are just sitting as if it is a compulsory and punishment. Nothing is compulsory in life. What is compulsory is God has blessed you, enjoy your life. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't understand this, entire life is waste. So many people say, I am from poor background. I don't know English. English jana jarurti hai kya? We are here to teach English. We will make you that. When you go out of the college, you will expert in language. Never develop inferior complex. At the same time, having superior complex is also a problem. Some people have, I am from this religion, I am from this caste, I am from this region. Hell with that, you are human beings. You are here only as a Karavalians and you are a students. We don't want any discrimination. Whomever you are very rich or poor, whether you're a boy or girl, whether you're Hindu, Muslim, Christian, North, South, Mallus, Kannada, will not make any difference. In Karnataka, how many languages are there, my friends? Why we have to fight North Karnataka, Middle Karnataka, Malnad, Karavali, Shivamogga, Chitragogga? How many Tulus are there? Tulu is spoken in a very, very small territory. Puttur Tulu is different, Mangalore Tulu is different, Udupi Tulu is different. Friends, it is the madness on our part. God has given us birth, God has given all the facility. You are privileged enough to join a professional college. Lakhs and crores of students are not getting admission in professional college because of the financial background or parents' other problem. Government is supporting you in the name of SC, ST, backward and minority. They are giving bank loans. You ask your parents how many were privileged to go to professional college? You are privileged to go to professional college because of the country. Let it be any government at the center or state. It is a country, it is India, it is a great India which has empowered the youth, which has given opportunity for all the youth of this India. You should reciprocate for that. You should thank for that. You should appreciate that. Don't find fault with the small things. There is a saying in Kannada, Vallada gandaninge mosuralli kallu anta. Afternoon we are giving you lunch. Eat. If you can eat little more, I will be happy. Mugayambo kush ho jayega. While eating, sir, I don't want chicken. I wanted, this is not a hotel. Vegetarians, I don't want payasam. Whatever is given, you eat your age. This age is blessed by God. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ತಿಂದ್ರು ಕರಗುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಯ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, this should not be restricted to a competition. Competition, you come out with flying colors. Get ready for sports day. Shortly we have a graduation day which is pending for a long time. There will be award ceremony. Karavali College, only because of Corona last 2 years. Still I feel some students are not motivated. Teachers and faculty should take care. One is top priority of this college is discipline. Second, academics. If you are little weak in academics, we are here to promote you. Third, go-getterness. Fourth, involvement. Fifth and most important, the oneness, the feeling of oneness. What is required for India or any other developed country? It is a feeling of oneness. Otherwise, it will be another Ukraine, another Russia, another US, another UK. What is happening? You know what is happening. Let me not explain. But India is not such a country, even though some people want create such a country. Just to become leadership, some organization, when the election comes, everybody starts barking. My question, where they were earlier, immediately after election when government is formed. Students also, admission time this year, we have faced lot of anti-propaganda. Medical college was going on, engineering closed, pharmacy closed, all these things they told. Nothing will close. We are coming to the mega new campus right in front of engineering college. One floor is equivalent to a pharmacy college. 2 floors are equivalent to this building. We are coming out with the 4 floors. It is more than 150,000 square feet. I will never fail to give the best infrastructure to students. Short period, 1 or 2 months adjustment may be there. And there you will have a very good function hall. All 4 times we have building, 4 sides we have building. Inside 3,000 students can sit and enjoy the program like this. Shall I tell one more thing? Within 4 months we will have a function there. All of you are going to sit there. Whether it is this campus or that campus, it is the Karavali. Karavali is one family. Friends, my message and my expectation only one thing. After 10 years, after 20 years, after 15 years, wherever you are, whether you are working, whether in a family, whether in a profession, whether in service, have that attitude of taking everyone together. If you start dividing, where is the end? Political division, religious division, regional division, linguistic division, you will be isolated, you will be one. You will not have a friend to enjoy. You will not have a partner to enjoy. Your own people will look at in a doubtful eyes. Never ever get bothered for that. Whatever you are, you be happy for that. Whichever religion you are, you celebrate that. Whichever language you speak, you respect for that. Whichever region you are from, you be proud of it. But ask one question: what is your contribution to society? What is your contribution to your religion? What is your contribution to the country? What you have helped your own parents? Have you helped your own brothers and sisters? Develop this attitude. Without that, education, money, and all the positions are waste. That is the reason, my dear students, and I am a dynamic, I expect all the people around me should be dynamic. I should not become dull with the dull and gloomy people. I bet my students are not dull. Am I right? Am I right? Life ऐसा ही चलना चाहिए भाइयों बहनों. Morning, early morning, you start your tension with the mobile. Till late night, you have tension with your mobile. I don't know क्या है उसमें. Thoda jokes fine, some message from parents or friends okay, some rumors from classmates is okay. You are bothered with the rumors of the entire country, which is nowhere connected. Bombay, Aisa Hoya, Akshay Kumar has done this, Shah Rukh Khan went there, Sara Ali Khan udhar gaya. आपका क्या है भाइयों बहनों? आपका क्या है? Remember, have self-respect, enjoy. Don't be part for the rumors, criticizing others, demoralizing others, troubling others is not the human behavior. God has not blessed anyone for that. But after mobile or after, so-called the revolution of the world, when everyone has car, bike, bungalow, road, when everybody is traveling aeroplane, I still remember, I don't know how many of you are non-Kannadigas, 1,000 times I told in my own college. There's a famous words are singing from Kuempu. Kuempu ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ. ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಷಣ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಏರುವನು ರವಿ ಏರುವನು, ಏರಿದವನು ಸಣ್ಣವನಾಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಸಾರುವನು. Ravi means sun. Morning, it will be big and white, reddish. Now you see, 12 o'clock, he will be in the top. When he's in the top, he looks small. There is a message for the life. When you progress in your life, when you become achiever, become small not in the size, means be humble, respect others, care for others, sacrifice for others. That's what exactly we are doing today. I might have celebrated this birthday in a star hotel with my own friends and family. I have not done last so many years. I am not doing it. I will not do it my lifetime. I will celebrate my birthday with the students and staff members because you are my power. Not only your ex-students, you ask 25 years, some students have become now aunties, uncles having 1 or 2 children. When I see them, when they interact, when they come here, when they wait for me, crores of rupees cannot purchase the satisfaction, the bond between Guru and Shishya, the bond between Guru and Shishya. ಅವಳು ನಗಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ ಮೇಲಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಗಂಡನ ಮಗುಟ್ಟಿ ಬರುವುದನ್ನು ನೆನೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳು, ಅದು ಜೀವನ. ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ. Always we should dream high. Dream high. Dream to become Prime Minister of this country. Why only Narendra Modi? Why can't you become? Dream to become the Chief Minister of this nation, state. Dream to become President of this country. At least dream to become the owner of the college. Dream to become the principal. Dream to become a good wife. Dream to become a good husband. Dream to become a very good mother. Where are the dreams? Dreams are restricted to small mobile. That too, if it's expensive iPhone, your standard is different only. Then you don't even talk to your friends. Any facility, this is created by human beings. Science and technology has given a facility. That facility should upgrade the human system. What is happening? That facility is degrading human system. I'll give one last example. When you travel in the bus, old bus, KSRTC red bus, usually you talk to the person who is sitting with you. Train also, sometimes long journey, people talk to each other. When you travel in the flight, you don't talk to the second person who is sitting next to your seat because of the standards. ऐसा स्टैंडर्ड चाहिए क्या? नहीं चाहिए. नहीं है चाहिए तो you are in the right place, you are in Karavali College, always keep smiling, always enjoy your life, lead your life with confidence, don't neglect the studies. Equally important is not only studies, Joli Kittiya, that is the biggest question of all the Malayalis. Joli Kittu, only getting the job is not the solution. Along with the job, satisfaction is required. If satisfaction is required, you should not be extreme. If you should not become extreme means you should be humble, you should be really caring for others. That is the message of birthday, that is the message of Kaizen, that is the message of Karavali. And forever, even after completing a course, you should be Karavali. For this reason, every college gives you degree. Every college gives you professional degree. Every college is charging fees. Nothing great in that. What is great in Karavali? We are trying to mold civilized, smiling, charismatic citizens for this country. So that, whether in industry, whether in service, whether in politics, whichever field you are, including your family, you should be leaders. All the Karavalians should be leaders. It is not only Karavali College chairman is a social leader. You know my reputation. Wherever I get, I salute, I get respect. Not because I'm a big man, because I'm a humble. Never it goes to my head. Now many are talking, sorry, you are a medical college chairman, you are a big man. I am not a big man. If at all somebody is big, it is you and they. Because of you and they, I am a big man. Let us have the dignity and discipline and the decency and courtesy to accept these. That is the reason, my dear friends. All the best. Happy time. Anyway, I told all these things. ಹೇಳಿದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು, you just accept all the good things, whichever I told, just to make you happy. See, this is another message. Nowadays, everyone criticizes others. Have you noticed? Have one person appreciates others. One thing I appreciate with the government of India, this all the Padma awards what they are giving to so-called common people without application. That change should come in entire India, starting from the classroom to government of India. Everyone is equal, friends. When God has produced, see, naturally difference will be there. 5 fingers cannot be same. We don't expect. Somebody is fat, somebody is motu, somebody is chotu. क्या करने? But दिल एक ही है ना, दिमाग एक ही है ना. So दिल और दिमाग से, we have to work with that. Now we are working only with the tongue, and somebody says we jump. After jumping, when we get down, then we think what happened. It is worse than tube light. First think, then talk. When you are confident, you can talk like me, very speed, without mistakes. Confidence level. 25 years I have worked for education. Nothing else than education. Equally, my journey, every walks of the life I satisfied, whether it's a cultural, whether youth, whether it's religious. People say, where you have time? I have time because we know to work as per the priorities. There is another professional ethics. With this, once again, thank you. Happy time. So, before concluding, one big noise. All boys and girls together. Thank you. Friends, I feel blessed, I feel humble.
Our relation should be like this only for next 100 years. ನೀವು ಅಜ್ಜ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. Are you ready for it? Let us have good dreams, sweet dreams. Okay? Till evening, I don't expect not even a single boy or girl to be dull and gloomy. An actual expectation, the entire life we should not become dull and gloomy. Let me pray for that. I am sure the God, the Almighty, whichever God you believe, will bless you because you have the privilege of being a Karavalian. Thank you.
Good morning to all the respected dignitaries on and off the dais and my dear friends. I deem it as a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I place on record my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Founder and Managing Trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges. Thank you for your precious presence, sir. And I also express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our respected Srimati Lata G. Rao Ma'am, Director of GR Education Trust, for her unstinted support rendered to us and also for graciously agreeing to be the chief guest of today's function. Thank you for being present here, ma'am. I thank all the principals of Karavali Group of Colleges for their valuable contribution, guidance, encouragement, and organization of this function. I owe special gratitude to all the teaching and non-teaching staffs who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. I thank all distinguished invitees present here for accepting our invitation.
Thank you, one and all. Come on, everybody, be louder. And now you can clap. Okay, thank you.